Sandvik's Posimix resin bolt system is designed to improve the mixing of resin capsules. The bolt incorporates a helical mixing spring on a thread bar to improve the installation and performance of chemically anchored rock bolts. This spring enhances resin mixing, promotes axial pumping toward the back of the hole, centralizes the bolt, and reduces resin gloving, particularly in larger diameter holes. When installing a Posimix resin bolt, the borehole diameter should be 35 to 38 millimeters. Resin capsules are deployed to the toe of the hole. Sandvik resin capsules are manufactured with a dividing channel along the length, separating the catalyst from the mastic prior to installation. For clarity in this technical breakdown, we will focus on a single capsule during the mixing phase. When the Posimix bolt contacts the capsule, it ruptures, releasing the mastic and catalyst of the resin. The Posimix bolt then moves through, displacing the resin from the casing to fill the borehole. As the Posimix rotates, the mixing spring actively blends the mastic and catalyst together, delivering axial in-hole mixing of the resin components. This evenly combines the two components into a homogeneous mixture with no air pockets. The spring also shreds and pushes the capsule plastic sheath toward the back of the hole, significantly reducing gloving. All this results in a centralized bolt with fully mixed resin, uniform encapsulation, and even distribution around the bar. This system is available for T20 and T24 bolts. Debonded options are also available. Sandvik's Posimix resin bolt system doesn't just spin through resin. It actively pumps, shears, and mixes it for consistent anchorage,